Hi, boys and girls. It's time to take out that language handbook and take a look at page 442 using a dictionary. If you need a minute to pause the video, go ahead at any time. A dictionary tells a word's definition or what the word means. Some words have more than one meaning. How do you find the correct meaning of a word? Read each meaning to figure out which definition makes sense. Some dictionaries have sentences to help you understand the word. Block. A piece of wood or hard plastic used as a toy. That tells what the word means. Then they use the word in a sentence. My little sister lost the red block she was playing with. Another meaning of the word block would be number 2. An area of a city with streets on 4 sides. My best friend and I live on the same block. Hint. Reread the sentence using the definition you chose. Does the sentence make sense? Number 1. Our class used blocks to make a model of our school. So would that be a piece of wood or an area of a city with streets on 4 sides? I think it means number 1, the piece of hard wood or plastic used as a toy. Number 2, we walked around the block to look at the building. Well, in this sentence, I think it means the second meaning. An area of a city with streets on 4 sides. So I would pick number 2. Number 3, our school takes up a whole city block. What do you think? Meaning number 1 or 2? I think that would be number 2. Number 4, we used every block we had to build our model. What do you think about that if you're building something and using a block? I would say that's number 1, a piece of wood or hard plastic used as a toy. When you flip over to the next page and you look, it tells you story, a group of words that tells about something real that happened. The story is about the first school in our city. Or number 2, a floor or level in a building. The Empire State Building has 102 stories. So we're going to take a look at number 1 and 2 and decide which meaning of the word story do we want to use. Our teacher read a story about how our school was built. Do you think that's like meaning 1 or 2? Number 2, what does the word story mean in this sentence? The school used to be only 1 story tall, meaning number 1 or 2. Yard up here at the top, number 1, an outside area near a house or building. Let's play in my yard after school. Or number 2, an amount that tells how long something is. That short piece of rope is 1 yard long. And we learned about that when we did our unit on inches. There are 3 feet in a yard. Number 3, long ago our school didn't have a yard around it. Do you think that's meaning 1 or 2? Number 4, what does the word yard mean in this sentence? Now our big playground is almost 50 yards wide. Do you think meaning 1 or 2? Go ahead and pause the video while you finish answering those questions. And then when you come back from unpausing, you can check your book against my book with the answers. Good job on using a dictionary.